Assalamualaikum. Hi, good morning kids. How are you? Welcome back to our class. Macam mana hari ni? Semua sihat? Syukur, Alhamdulillah. Selamat kembali ke alam PDPR. Semoga, I hope you all are bersemangat. Okay? Good. Okay. Don't forget to smile. Okay, start your day with your smile. Okay, good. Handsome. Cute. Beautiful. Let's go. Okay, for today, we will continue our lesson about topic my home. Did you remember what we had learned before this? Yes, before this we focus on learning about what? Yes, bedroom and living room. Good. And for today, we will learn more about objects in the room. Which room? Yes, kitchen room and bathroom. Again, kitchen, bathroom. Okay, good. Okay, before we will continue our lesson for the next objects in the bathroom and kitchen, we will revise about the type of the house. Firstly is what? Yes, bedroom. And then living room. After that, kitchen. And last, bathroom. Okay, good kids. Thumbs up. Yeah. Okay kids, for today we will focus on kitchen. First, kitchen, okay? Say after me. Chair, table, glass, spoon, plate, fork, and kettle. Okay, good. So for the next slide, we will what? Yes, spell and say the words correctly. Are you ready? Yes, good. Okay, picture number 1. What is this? Spoon. Spoon. Okay, spell S for P-O-O-N. Spoon. Okay, good. For next picture, what is this? Fork. Okay, F for F. O-R-K. Fork. Fork. Okay, good. Okay, what is spoon? Sudu. Fork is garfu. Okay, good. Okay, for this picture, what is this? Glass. Say glass. Okay. G for G. L-A-S-S. Glass. Yes, very good. And next picture, what is this? Plate. Plate. Spell with me. P for P. L-A-T-E. Plate. Very good. Awesome. Okay, what is this? Okay, glass. Ini gelas untuk awak for your drinking, untuk minum. Then this one is what? Plate, pinggan. Okay, good. Okay, what is this? Semua orang tahu rasanya. Okay, good. Chair. Chair. Spell with me. C for H-A-I-R. Chair. Yes, very good, kids. And what is this? Focus on this picture. This one you know. You knew already. This one is chair. But how about this? Table. Table. T for A-B-L-E. Table. Okay, good everyone. Chair apa dalam bahasa Melayu? Yes, kerusi. Table, meja makan. Okay, last picture for kitchen object in the kitchen is, what is this? Kettle. Kettle. K for E-T-T-L-E. Kettle. Okay, actually kettle, this kettle, not every house have kettle like this. Now, sekarang zaman moden, normally we use what? Already like Kowe, like what? Kuko. But some of them still use this kettle. Untuk apa ni? Masak air masak, okay? Untuk jadikan air masak ataupun nak buat air panas. Okay, good everyone. Okay, now we will focus object in the bathroom. Bathroom. Okay, say with me, towel. Towel. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Shampoo. Shampoo. Soap. Soap. Tap. Tap. Sink. Sink. Okay. Yes. Awesome. Brilliant. Okay, we will focus on spell and say about objects in the bathroom. Okay, first picture. What is this? Everyone have this one at home. Yes, sink. Sink. S for I-N-K. Sink. How about this? We focus on this one. What we call it? Tap. Tap. T for A-P. Tap. Yes, good. You can say it very well. Okay, sink ni apa? Sinki. This one is apa? Tap. Kepala pipe. Okay, now you can see this picture, right? Yes, I know. Everyone will know about this picture. What is this? Yes, toothpaste. Toothpaste. T for O-O-T-H-P-A-S-T-E. Toothpaste. Okay, good. How about this? This yellow one. Yes, toothbrush. Toothbrush. T for O-O-T-H-B-R-U-S-H. B-R-U-S-H. Toothbrush. Wow, good everyone. Okay, toothpaste is what? Yes, ubat gigi. And how about this in Malay? Yes, this one is berus gigi. Everyone use it, right? Every day, right? Yes, you have to brush your teeth by using toothpaste and toothbrush. Okay, how about this picture? Yes, this one is soap. Soap. S for O-A-P. Soap. Okay, soap apa? Sabun mandi. And how about this picture? Shampoo. Shampoo. S for H-A-M-P-O-O. Shampoo. Yes, awesome. Good, everyone. You must use this soap, or normally now we use what? Yes, biasanya kita guna sabun tekan tu kan. Okay, but some of them still use this soap. And you have to shampoo your hair at least what? Berapa kali biasanya? Seminggu 3 kali. Cannot use this shampoo every day, okay? Then for next picture. Okay, last but not least, for objects in the bathroom. What is this? You usually use this one. Must use this one, right? Okay, towel. Towel. T for O-W-E-L. Towel. Yes, good everyone. Okay. I want you to clap your hand first. Yay, yay, yay. You all are awesome and good. Because what? You can spell and say very good, correctly, fluently. Okay? For activities today, first, pupils will answer the live worksheet attachment from the Google Classroom. I will give the link for live worksheet, then you answer it, okay? Then number 2, pupils complete page 32 in the activity book. This one for activity book, page 32, okay? You have to name and write, okay? Kamu dah belajar kan apa yang telah teacher tunjukkan sebelum ni. So, this one is bedroom, bathroom, living room, and kitchen. Okay, then you have to name it in each type of the room. For example, bedroom. What objects in the bedroom? What do you have objects in the bedroom? Yes, right, bed. So you write bed here, okay? Then after that, what? Another one. Yes, lamp. Lamp, okay? Then you have to write lamp here. Okay, good. Then you have to answer for bathroom, living room, and kitchen. Okay, for number 3, pupils complete page 23, this one, and 24 from the module book. Okay? Yes. Don't forget to send your answer to Teacher Ili. Okay, I think that's all for today. See you in the next class. Stay safe, stay healthy, always smile, and thank you. Bye-bye.